Hi guys, welcome back to our video. Today is the 28th. I believe it's the 28th. And we are gonna go looking for mushrooms.
Today is the 28th.
Steep, huh? Oh,
Yep.
There's a squirrel there. We are in our neighbor's wood actually. And there's lots of mushroom here. Tomorrow's gonna rain all day. I mean, maybe tomorrow, not tomorrow, like 2 more days might be a better day to come though. You think so?
Tomorrow's going to rain. So.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll find some.
Tomorrow is shopping day.
Oh, for you. Shopping in the rain, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're looking for maitake, and then we're looking for oyster, and we're looking for lion's mane and chicken of the woods.
There should be a dead tree stump there. Don't see anything on that.
Yeah, so we're just gonna. Oh, there's.
And watch the sticker.
Yeah, I should have worn tennis shoes. But yep, there we go. How many acres is this, Gary?
6 acres.
6 acres. So we should be able to find something with 6 acres. We're hoping. Maybe. I don't know.
Alright. Okay, this path here.
Alright, I'll follow you.
I'm going to come down here and push some of this stuff back up.
Well, Gary, we found pear puffballs.
Oops.
There's another one? Oh, there.
There was a whole bunch of them.
Look at that.
You want to fry them?
No, thank you. It's okay. We'll leave that there.
A little
Well,
flat.
Flat. Yeah, they're all over here.
Yeah, I didn't
Yeah, they
see
say-
them. If I would have saw them, I wouldn't have ran over.
Yeah, they say that to eat it when the meat is white, just like the
Right.
normal puffball. When the meat is white, that's when it's good. Look at there's there's one more here. There's here. Look at
Oh, here's one.
where? Oh, Gary found one. Yeah, pear puffball. Let's see. Yeah, this one is a big one. Yeah, they're all over here. Smell like mushrooms. I smell it.
Yep. I don't know if there'll be any down through the path there or not.
Yeah, they're hitting. You just have to like,
Right.
look down.
I have to
put
keep
this in the
my
bag.
eyeball out when I come walking through here again.
All right, so we're going on a through the deer path route. Yeah, so far we didn't find any maitake.
There's a bunch of dead limbs and stuff down to the crevice. Oh, spider.
All right, you guys, Gary's gonna take me to the goat goat poop pile. We're gonna go see. So this is your route.
Yep. I come straight through instead of using the bridge. Used to use the bridge, but it got
Oh,
a
look at
little
that.
hairy.
The creek.
Yeah.
So this is it right there.
Yep, this is Mr. Alvarez's. Actually, this fence is 15 feet on JT's land.
Wow. So this is where you come and get the goat.
Yep, this is a pile.
Oh, I thought he had more goats in this.
He does.
Huh?
See up top of the hill?
Oh wow, that's a lot.
The males are gone. Yeah, they're in a weed patch, see them?
Uh-huh. Way up there.
And the little ones are over here. Little males.
How many goats does he have?
Now, what's her name is,
There's some more over
she's
here.
got sheep.
Oh, all these goats. And this is, where did you come in? You come in through this gate right here?
Go through this gate, get your goat poop right there. Yeah, that's where I got the last 3 piles. Right
Wow. Okay. All right, you guys, this is where he got the goat poop from. Oh, there's big ones, Gary. Look. They're huge. Is that a ram? That's a ram? That's rams?
Oh, they are. Over there.
Are they gonna jump over, Gary?
Hey, what you doing? What you doing?
I've never seen a ram in real life before.
You never have?
Are they friendly?
Hello. Yeah, they're friendly.
How old are they?
I think 10 years.
Huh? No, I will not. Wow. Is that a male and a female? Look at you. Aren't you beautiful? Is that what they eat? Is this a male and a
Smell?
female? Yeah, it smells. Yeah.
That's these males.
They are both males?
Oh, yes.
Oh, they're big, Gary.
Yep.
Oh, look, the little one wants to. They want one too.
You gotta go over to them.
Wow. Oh no, they're fighting. The little ones, the little goats. They want one. They're like, how about us?
I don't have this. These are dry these flowers. That's all you get. You got a whole bunch. There you go.
The ones that up there, are they stuck up there?
No, they got the building up there. These are the males. You can't let them in with the females unless you're going to breed.
Oh, okay.
If they turn around, you'll find out they're both males.
Oh, they're big.
See, there's all the females up there.
Gary, I found it.
What?
I found a mushroom.
Yep.
Which one? Where's the female one at?
Up there on top of the hill. You can't see all them goats?
Wow.
There's Mr. Alvarez and his wife.
Maybe we can go. Can we ask him for that? Wow, Gary. That's a lot. Look, it's dinner time. You guys, I spot the mushrooms and they look like they're old. They look like they're past prime, Gary.
Yeah. They're the cherry trees. He's trying to kill them. See how he did the bark?
Oh, yeah.
See, they're all dead.
Wow. Why are they screaming? Why are they yelling? Like, are they talking? Are they talking to each other? Look at all the...
Yep.
Oh, there's... How many goats does he have?
He's about 100, maybe 200.
Wow.
And of course, they're the dogs.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, they're all the goats up there on the hill. His wife just waved to us. Ain't no problem.
That's amazing. And this is their business?
Mm-hmm. They do goat milk, goat soap, chicken eggs. There's a chicken house there.
Okay.
They'll do chicken eggs too. So.
How are they selling the goat milk?
I don't know if they sell it, just a regular milk or there's just the cheese and the soap. Goat cheese, facial cream made out of goat.
That's amazing.
That's a male. That's
They have
just
that
from
smell?
touching his head.
Wow. This is amazing. I've never seen this before. Are they going to come down to feed these ones right here? Or do
Yeah,
they go
probably
back up?
later on. But I don't hear him starting to eat before we are, so.
Yeah, but up here. See?
Yep.
See that?
You got that. I don't know
There's
if there's
mushrooms right
anything
there.
else over there or not.
But yeah, that's mushrooms right there.
Yep. I think they're, as you say, a little past prime.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that look like it's a chicken of the woods.
Yep, could be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oyster.
Oyster.
Yeah.
One of them. Make sure you wash your hand.
We used to have 4, 5 males in there.
All the ones are up there,
Yep.
female.
Now see, this from the goat house to here, that's goat poop.
All this right here.
All that is goat poop.
What?
Yeah. That.
Wow, the grass grew on it?
Well, that's 30 years old.
Dang.
Right here.
Hi.
Hi, Billy. Yeah.
Hi.
I ain't got no tree limbs.
So that's all goat poo?
Yep.
I couldn't even
All
tell.
goat poop.
Shoot, put a garden here. It'll
Oh yeah.
grow like crazy.
Yep. If put another gate in here, you can take that whole pile out. That's just, that never smell. That's dirt.
Yeah, it's dirt now.
That's dirt.
They are beautiful. Bah.
They're all little male.
This is all male, so they have to divide them.
Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah. You got to divide them.
Even though they're little like
Yep,
this, you still have to divide
Still
them?
got to divide them.
Oh. Well, at least they got friends.
Yep.
And so goat and then rams, right?
Well, these are all little rams,
Uh-huh.
and they're the big rams, and that's all the females up there on top of the hill. And that's the other goat barn. And see that where it's got that hill
pile,
knoll and the other pile, that's goat poop.
Wow.
Also.
I bet you right there is goat
Nope,
poo.
nope.
No?
Nope, that's the straight hill.
You say sheep right there.
Melanie. That's who's over there.
Okay, and she have sheeps.
Yep, she has sheep.
This is amazing, Gary.
Yep. All right.
Okay, well, good to know. There you go, you guys. The city folks, you get to watch this. Oh. You're gonna get your head stuck, bud. Oh no, you're stuck. Oh, smart. So we're gonna walk this hill. Oh, that's a tall one.
Lee's walnut grove over here.
Uh-huh.
That's all walnut trees. These are poplar. There's 4 trees here together, or 3 trees, no, 4 together. That's poplar.
Uh-huh.
All those down there by themselves
Yeah.
are walnut trees.
Wow. Oh, you can hear
Black
the...
walnuts. Oh, you can hear falling.
No, I mean, no, you can hear the goat or the sheep or
Or goats.
goats all the way over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, deer trail.
Man, Gary. You're not kidding. It's steep.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, no wonder why you're in shape.
You'll try going up this, on a fast walk.
Phew, no, thank you.
You talk about somebody heart beating like hell when you get to the top.
This is a good workout. Oh man, look at. I want to show you. This is what we did. Whew. That's downhill. You don't need to go anywhere for exercise. This is it. Are we halfway up yet?
Yeah. You're almost out of the steep part.
No wonder why you're healthy, Gary. This is crazy.
I used to walk this once a day, at least.
Sheesh.
All the way around, past on the other side of Mail Road.
Uh-huh.
I walked it every day. Haven't did it too much lately.
I gotta stand. Oh, we made it. Look at that. Woo.
Better than Lou. She got stopped twice coming up this hill.
Lou comes here too?
Oh, sometimes. Very seldom.